How can you fix the screen flickering issue on your Android device? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video I'll be showing you how you can fix the screen flickering issue on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, what you have to do is press all of the buttons on your mobile device, which means the volume up button, the volume down button and the lock button. If you press them simultaneously, a menu like this one will open up. Here you have to select the option for wipe data and that will solve your problem. If it doesn't, you can also go to the option for system updates and then you can download the update if it is available. If there isn't, you can go to the dark mode option on your mobile device, and if it is turned into light mode, you can toggle the dark mode option on for better visibility. Also, if this doesn't solve your issue, you can go to the option called color scheme. Here you have to check the option for saturated. It will give you more highlighted colors and give better visibility in order to solve your flickering issue. And there you go. That is how you can fix the screen flickering issue on your Android device. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.